I would have expected better from an American company, though. Hi, Cat. I know how much you fucking weirdos love unboxing videos. Got our handy dandy razor blade. Benji, got another box for you. Staples out. Here are resonators. They don't give you much to weld to, do they? Benji, you want another box? Staples out? Okay, here you go. You can have that. No, take it over. No, take it and go over there with it. Thank you. These are advertised as welded turbo mufflers. They're not turbo mufflers, they're chamber. Yeah, you see the turbo mufflers would have a perforated core. These don't. They have baffles. I've blown the baffles of these cheap welded mufflers before, so I'm like not totally excited about that. I'm just glad that's more than 30 seconds and the camera's still recording. I've been having a problem with that. Stopped recording for no fucking reason. Okay. These are small block headers for. Can I see that? Can I see that? Alright, go crazy. Have fun with it. Right here. These are small block 60 to 66 Hedman. Cool. And the gaskets they come with. I buried it on the table. Just the gaskets are made in USA. Stuck in the box. Okay. They're composite. Come on. Cool. Got our collector flanges. The ball and socket. That's nice. Okay. Wow. I can already see that these are just horribly not going to be matched to the ports in the heads. That's just terrible. Come on, Hedman. Like, I bought a set of those Summit brand headers for a square body for a small block, and they were, I'm not gonna lie, better made than the Hedmans I bought in the past. But they didn't make those for a 60 to 66 Chevy, so. Yeah, the Summit Racing brand headers, they're China. They have a 3/8 thick flange, and they're welded on this side, not like this. So on the Summit headers, this surface is flat. On the Hedmans, you have this raised weld surface here. And I think these are just belt sanded flat. Not very flat in my experience. Yeah, if you can buy Summit Racing brand headers for anything, buy them. In this case, this is all we could get, so it's what we're going to work with. Yeah, we're going to be, I can already tell we're going to be adding weld onto the outside of this on the top and grinding this out. That's just terrible. Furthermore, these gaskets are a fucking joke. They just line up with their shitty, Let me go see if I have another set of gaskets. Okay, so we had this set of gaskets in stock. They're metallic gaskets. Alright. So to start with, can you see better this way? You hold it up. Tell me that isn't a mismatch. Yeah, we'll be doing a lot of work to these. So you'll see here just how much carving and welding we're going to have to do to get these to flow worth a damn. Well, these are the only headers we can get for the truck. I would have expected better from an American company, though. Did you have a good time?